This is what I came to. Penny. Decorate my space. Balloon just fell. Aww. It's my birthday. The lovely Penny. So guys, it's my birthday and this is it.
Happy birthday, Annie. Today's your birthday?
Yes, Annie.
Wait, happy birthday, Annie. Oh, yes, it's happy birthday. Oh, happy birthday, Annie. Wow, look nice.
It's not video.
No, it's not. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey,
Hey.
I hope that you will continue to be as sweet as you are. And do enjoy your day and the rest of the month.
Thank you so much.
I'm Maria, not taking home my cake and I'm coming back on the
You're the biggest slice. Anne Marie.
I would like to just wish you a very happy birthday and to thank God for another year, grant you another year to be here with us, and may His blessings be upon you. May He give you good health, long life, and prosperity. Blessings.
Thank you, Penny. My darling Penny.
Hi,
Thank you.
Anne-Marie. Happy birthday. I mean, I came in this morning and I saw the outfit and I knew it was the occasion. I mean, Anne-Marie always up. But today was really rather high up. But you look lovely, as Cam said a while ago.
Thank you.
Yeah, she's royal. So happy birthday. Wishing you God's richest blessing, good health, prosperity, peace, happiness. I mean, just everything that is good and the goodness of God over your life. From the crown of your head to the sole of your feet. Blessings, my sister.
Amen. Thank you, sister. Thank you, Annie. Thank you.
All right.
Anne-Marie, I just want to wish you
Hope you live to see many more and continue to enjoy the day.
Thank you so
Right.
much, baby.
All right,
Thank you.
Anne-Marie. Okay.
I prayed, but I let me just say, happy birthday, Anne-Marie. May you live to see many more happy birthdays.
Thank you so much, Miss Olive, and welcome back to Eagle.
Anne-Marie, boss, affectionate love. Continue being who you are, not the miserable part, please. But yes, everybody know that. We cuss every day, but you know, beyond that, we're still friends and tight. You know what? If you can't rally back, it makes no sense. And nevertheless, we ask in the Lord more blessings with money.
Speak it, sister.
Yes,
Speak
yes,
it.
yes. You can't have money without the whole of that stuff there.
Speak it
You ain't
into
going
being.
to road, but you know, say it contributes. But enough health and strength, enough happiness. Today's your day. If you're not supposed to give it more work, got a surprise later. Anyway, full joy yourself and enough blessings, girl.
Thank you.
All right, so all our best wishes. I want you to take those wishes, put it at the front of your brain, and anytime you feel distress or stress, anytime you feel like you're lonely, just pick out one, remind yourself of who you are and who you are to all of us, and I'm sure it will put a smile on your face. Alright, so
Thank
happy
you so
birthday.
much.
So we're gonna sing the birthday
Thank you
song
so much.
for Anne-Marie, and then she's gonna cut her very lovely, it looks like chocolate with some sprinkles or whatever. It looks really nice. So we're going to allow her to cut her cake, and then we are going to go into our little eating. Alright, so give us, is that 3? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, dear Annie. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. You're the choir. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray! 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 Okay, cutting time. All right. So her hand first. 1, 2, 4. Follow instruction. Alright?
I'm an anxious person, you know.
Alright? Okay. Alright?
Cut again?
No, you don't cut it already.
Okay.
Alright, like that. So we can continue that. Alright, so thank you all. And let us partake. You're going to share? You're going to share?
Champagne, Judge.
Okay.
Work. It's work time. We can't show no champagne. Work. Work say no alcohol on the
That
job.
is non-alcoholic, guys. Tell them.
Oh, so it's not no champagne.
I never did this.
So you can't drink alcohol?
Woo!
I'm very
A regular.
Thank you,
When I didn't work a bar.
Oh, father used to bring them money.
Oh, you would do it.
Thank you guys for coming into my life to share this celebration with us, with me. Enough here on this company. Yes, so thank you guys. Thank you so much. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Munche, my cousin.
Blood subsidy for those.
You're still intact, girl.
The regular cup glass. I mean, the small cup.
Oh.
Who want cake? Put up your hand. Who want cake? Put up your hands. If you want cake, say me, guys. Me.
What?
So I'm in the video.
What's that? Oh.
That's yes. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. Nice cake, Penny.
Audrey, take your cake sandwich.